Good thing we just met the neighbor that's a paramedic, huh? Square house people, right?
Yeah.
Ob's dad needs help. Just for the record, this looks like a terrible idea.
You gotta slide this up more. Okay, you got it?
Go climb over there further if you want to climb, because Dad's going to be cutting on this. Don't you want to see how Dad does this?
Start the video. I need help if there's a snake around here. I'm scared.
Is that a mosquito?
What?
I swear a mosquito just landed on me. Is that even possible? Yep, pretty soon.
You should pick those up, Bob, and go stack them over there on that pallet. You and the Benny.
Where did the pallet come from?
Huh?
That wasn't there before, was it?
Yeah, they're just covered in snow.
Oh.
Benny.
Okay, Obs and Bennett. The sooner you do this, the sooner we go home.
I want to go home.
Yep. Come do this, and then we'll go home. Grab those. Go stack them on that pallet over there.
You're going to stay here or Dad?
No, we'll go home soon. You guys just help Dad out. Go put them on that pallet over there. Are you worried about it, like, dropping? Like, or do you feel like you have enough strength on it to keep it from flying down?
Okay. Was that enough?
Nope, there's a couple more Dad's got for you.
Guys.
Maybe Dad'll let you cut one.
Dad, can I cut one?
You trust him yet or not yet?
Yeah, you're probably good.
Okay, Benny, first go pick those up and stack them over there.
Mommy, I'm not even helping a bit.
She's gonna come help.
Aubrey.
Come help, Bob. The sooner you do this, the sooner you get your PHONE back. Hmm?